Hi, Mandy here from Stepping Out Vintage, and I'm going to give you a few Charleston dance steps. Here is some basic Charleston. The Charleston steps are always on 1, 3, 5, and 7. On knee slaps, however, you're going to hit the even beats, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are pushes, also on the odd beats, 1, 3, 5, 7. Hitchhiking, also on the odd beats. This is a little helicopter or windmill. Lost my balance there. Mess around. Knee slaps on every even beat. Now we're going to do a little kick around with shoulders. This is sort of a little flapper move, a little stylized. Now picking cherries. Those are also on the odd beats. Here is jump Charleston. That's a little scarecrow step. This is around the world Charleston. So you're taking that step and dragging it around. This is a little kick across step or a little skip up kind of step. You can also do it with this little run back step, just a little rhythm pattern. And here we have some double kicking Charleston, or double Charleston I might call it. And then I'm going to do some squat Charleston. Squats would be on any odd number, 1, 3, 5, or 7. And that's it, just a little refresher. I'm a bit rusty these days, but hopefully that puts you in a mood with a few steps you can get inspiration from. And we hope to see you on the dance floor soon.